we're having another bowl again. Look at this. So chicken, now there's chicken. Now there's ranchera carne asada, a little bit of shrimp, cebolla curtida, guacamole, onion crisp, cucumber salad. We have cabbage instead of, ¿cómo se dice? Oh my goodness, look at that. Cabbage instead of lettuce. We have hummus, beans, rice. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Corn, cheese. Look at all this. This is amazing. The chile de aceite, oh my goodness. This is absolutely amazing. Chicken, shrimp, carne asada. Delicious. You have no idea how amazing this is. Wow. I freaking love hummus. I don't know why. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say other than it's delicious. Anyway, toodles, guys. Bomb. Amazing. Toodles.